to do some shopping. I ended up checking out the rainbow. So how could I have not shown you guys the rainbow? So here you go. This is a beautiful rainbow which I just happened to watch, and I said I will share with you all. And this is how we look during the time of COVID. We are fully covered. This is the face mask that we are wearing and full jacket because the winter is really started and it's getting slightly chill. Though it is sunny outside, I don't know how it can be sunny and show the rainbow at the same time, but yeah, this is how it is. And if you all see this, there is some chestnuts. A lot of people love eating them, and squirrels especially love eating them. This is how they look, and a few people eat it. I'm not sure how exactly you're supposed to eat it, but yeah, you're supposed to eat them. I have no idea. So sorry. So here you go, and now we are moving on to shopping. So I'll take you all along with me and show you all where I shop for my outfits. I'm going to share with you all, and also if I happen to buy something else, I'm going to show you all on the way. So let's get going. Here we are, friends, walking on our way to the traditional store of Asna Silks, and this is like a small street, high street sort of a thing where you can find small random shops here and there. So here you go, this is Asna Silks. This is where we are going to shop today. It's a beautiful store, newly opened, and they have like tons and tons of collections. Let me quickly give you a tour around. And they have like a lot of clutches, they have a lot of other ornaments, they have saris, they have wedding gowns, they have bags, clutches, salwar kameez, shirts, anarkali suits, a lot of artificial jewelry and a lot of makeup stuff, and like tons of things, bangles, bindis, whatever like you look for. It is like all in one shop. You get everything in one place. Very nice. They have like suits with new designs and beautiful colors. Just love it. They have like kids stuff as well, like kids clothes and kids churidars, and this is it. Yeah, pretty much. I'm here at Asna Silk with an amazing lady, Radhika, and she has newly opened this shop and she has like amazing collections. So make sure you come to this place and you check out some amazing stuff. Her stuffs are so good. I'm just in love with these things. And this is what I've picked, but unfortunately I couldn't get it the way I want. I need sleeves. As you all know, I don't wear more of sleeveless. So yeah, I have told her to put these sleeves for me, and the best thing is she herself does the alteration here. She has a machine right here, and if you need to be done alterations, don't need to worry. Just come here, pick your amazing stuff, get it altered and wear the way you want. So guys, this is it. So let's move on to the next thing, but this is it. Make sure you come and check this shop out. This is in the Mitcham area and it's an amazing shop. I'm going to put up the picture as well so that you can check it out where exactly it is and where exactly you want. So make sure you support new businesses and you give lots of love and support to new ones. So this is it. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah. So guys, here we are in Tooting. This is a very famous street where you can do lots of shopping out here. There are like lots of shops as you can see around my back, and that is the shop which we are heading to. That's Pooja, one of the sweet shops and one of the very famous shops. It's been here since very long time, and that name is very famous out here. So if anybody happens to buy any sweets during the time of festive season, they come to Pooja, and that's what we did. We thought of getting some sweets for ourselves, so we came over, and the streets are not so busy as you can see today. Evening hours, the streets are not so busy, so that's why I thought of coming here during the evening time, because it's nice and calm. So yeah, let's take the next signal and I'll show you all what all things I picked from Pooja. So friends, here we are in Pooja, and these are the varieties of sweets they have. It's like a lot of variety. I don't know most of the names, so I just point whatever sweet I want and then they pack it up for me, and they have this large and small and medium size of boxes. So yeah, this is how the entire Pooja looks with all these sweets. And if you love to put on some calories, to come to this place and enjoy these sweets and put on some calories. Hey guys, so we are back home and we have had our shower and everything, and we are all set and ready, and quickly let me show you what all things I picked. So this is the first thing that I picked. I didn't pick much, but this is the salwar suit which I picked, or salwar kameez, whatever you all can call it. Very simple. I don't like too much of work or very heavy stuff, so I kept it very nice and simple. And then it has nice detailing on the sides, which looks like really nice, pretty, and yeah, it has nice pinkiness in it, like very peppy color. And so here you go. This is the bottom along with that, and it is like flare. You can see nice and flare, so it's going to fall when you wear it. I'm going to show you all after wearing this in my next vlog, hopefully. Yeah, if I make one. And here you go. This is the dupatta that I got along with it. And this is right. So this is how it looks. So it will go like this, nice and simple and very pretty color. So I'm just in love with this color, and it has also the golden detailing on the sides. So yeah, it gives a nice simple yet festive look. So along with that, I've got a nice pair of earrings. Let me put it and show you. Let's see. So these are the pair of earrings that I've picked. Like very simple. They are not very heavy. They look heavy, but they are very light. They are very light. So yeah, it's not gonna tear off my ears. And I'm not a big fan also of heavy jewelry. I like wearing heavy stuff, but it should be light on my ears. So yeah, this is the thing that I've picked. And then along with that, I picked these pretty diyas. How could I have not picked them up? I had no plans of picking them up, but they look so cute that I said like, okay, let's pick up. Because any which ways, if we know that, and I'm sure you all know that Diwali is festival of light, so I said let there be some light in my house as well. So yeah, I picked this up. And then the best part of the shopping that I did, and I went so far to pick up, is this. Now if you're from here, you all must have already guessed it, but if you're not from here, then let me quickly show you what I picked. So this is what I picked. A lot of calories, and I'm loving it. I'm not afraid of having them, because I believe like once you stop eating something and then suddenly if you start, that is when you put on weight. But if you use it in your daily diet and if you have on regular basis, it should not affect you. I don't know, that's what I feel. So yeah, this is it guys. This is all that I've picked. I haven't done much shopping, but yeah, randomly because of COVID I didn't want to go unnecessary in shops. So this is what I have picked, and this is what it is. But since you all know, a very important announcement which I'm gonna make, that festive season is coming up and next vlog is definitely gonna be on the Diwali. So I thought of giving a small giveaway to all you amazing people who take time out of their busy schedules and watch my vlogs. So thank you so much for doing that. So I'm gonna do a small giveaway. I'm not sure, I haven't yet thought like what I would pick or what I would give. But if you have already subscribed to my channel, then you don't need to worry, because you are already there. And if you haven't subscribed and you just watch my videos, and go ahead, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because I don't want you to miss out on that. And then just random stuff, just like it and follow me up on. And also one more thing, if you have subscribed to my channel and if you have not made it public, then I cannot see who all have subscribed to my channel. That is where the problem begins. So make sure you leave it open so that I can go through my subscribers and see who all are there and pick one lucky winner, and you could be the lucky one. So this is all. I'm not gonna talk much about giveaway, so I'm gonna finish my video here itself. So I hope you all have liked my vlog for today, and if you all have liked it, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a lot of your comments, and we'll see you soon in our next vlog. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.